Hi, I'm Divenita, a technical specialist from the Wellcome Sanger Institute. If you've ever stared through a microscope and thought, what am I even looking at? Don't worry, you're definitely not alone. When you're used to looking at big objects like bugs, switching to tiny cells can feel overwhelming. And often, what you look at through a microscope has been stained funky colors, which could add to the confusion. We'll be looking at a histology slide, or a slide with tissue cells on it, specifically an earthworm. Different stains highlight different structures within the tissue cell, which is really important when we want to look at them. But they can also totally change how the tissue looks. Knowing what dyes were used helps you figure out whether something is actually blue or just stained blue. Hold the slide up and look at the sample with your naked eye. Take a mental note of its shape. Is it circular? Oblong? Is it symmetrical? Or does it have a distinctive shape on one side? That first clue helps you stay oriented once you've magnified it. In this case, it's oblong, shaped a bit like a banana. Place the slide on the microscope and start looking at it with the lowest power objective lens. Move the slide around until you've seen the full picture. Each time you move up the objective lens, refocus and look around. Different structures are visible at different magnifications, so don't stay stuck on just one lens. Make notes as you observe. Write down what you do recognize. Here are some skin cells and muscle. And describe in detail the things you don't recognize. I'm going to write a description of this. Scaly looking blob. That way, you can look them up later without forgetting what you saw. That's it. With these simple steps, looking at tiny things under a microscope starts to make a lot more sense.